I like to do whatever I want on National Weather Person's Day. I'm going to golf later.
Good for you.
Yeah. It's going to be a bit foggy, though. First thing this morning, probably won't be able to see your long drive if you're out there. And if you do have to drive a long way on the road, this is where you need to be paying attention, especially near the coast. It's 68 degrees and steadily through our 2-hour broadcast this morning, the tower cam has been showing less and less vision. So I think we're only looking at about a quarter of a mile as far as visibility goes here on our tower cam. Can make out SPID right in front, but as you go down the road, you can't really see much. The fog for sure is the most dense near the coast, quarter of a mile worth of vision or less in Flower Bluff. Similar on 361 up into Port A. If you're going north from Corpus Christi over the Harbor Bridge, if you're going to Ingleside, Aransas Pass, Rockport, Fulton, there's going to be pockets of thick hazardous fog there, so you'll need to take it easy, be cautious on the road, give yourself some extra time and distance between yourself and other vehicles out there, and keep that in mind as you travel outside of KIII country. Look at the reds up near Matagorda Bay. Very dense fog along and near coastal locations, and that's because this is forming over the Gulf of Mexico. It's sea fog. Got the water temperature in the upper 50s to around 60. The air just above that is in the mid 60s. So what's happening is that air is condensing over the Gulf, and then these light southerly winds are then pushing that fog inland, and it's making it quite foggy, and it's enough to warrant extra caution on the roads. Dense fog advisories are posted throughout the coastal bend until 9 o'clock this morning, at which point the winds will start to pick up, and that's what will help alleviate some of this fogginess here. They're already sustained between 5 and 10 miles per hour, but they will pick up to between 10 and 20 later on this morning and afternoon. So that's going to help get rid of this foggy problem we've had the past 2 mornings. We will keep the clouds in place. We're getting rid of some rain out in far eastern Texas, but on its heels, more clouds working in from the west, and these clouds are actually preceding a weather maker that's going to drop a cold front down here. The weather system in question is over California this morning. As this approaches, our winds are going to be picking up. That's why it's going to get windier with this low developing over the panhandle tomorrow. So do expect more wind today and tomorrow. That should keep the dense fog in check. This system then comes in on Thursday. Right now it looks like mid to late afternoon, like 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. As it comes in, a little bit of rain. The temperatures Thursday don't necessarily take a huge hit in the afternoon, but into Friday, that's when we're really going to feel the effects of this cold front. It's going to be in the 50s, colder and windier here on Friday, and we're not going to get rid of the clouds. It's going to stay cloudy. We may also get some from the south, some light patchy rain or drizzle. So Friday, Saturday, not looking great. Right now, I'm going to hold on to that rain chance both Friday and Saturday, and then start to get rid of it Sunday and Monday as temperatures warm back up. This morning, mid to upper 60s, dense coastal fog and cloudy skies. Will stay mostly cloudy today. Some places making a run at 80 inland, with everyone else in the mid to upper 70s. Tomorrow morning should not be quite as foggy, but still some coastal patchy fog, upper 60s. Warming to around 80 again in the afternoon for Wednesday. Today, 78. Areas of dense morning fog becoming cloudy, and it'll be mild and muggy today with those winds picking up out of the southeast, 10 to 20 miles per hour. Tonight, still some pockets of fog, mainly near the coast, but not as dense as this morning given the wind, 10 to 15 miles per hour, 66 on the forecast low, 70s through Thursday. Again, Thursday still going to be pretty mild despite the arrival of that cold front, but come Friday, get the winter gear ready to go. 40s in the morning on Friday and Saturday morning with 50s Saturday, 2 and Friday. Light